Good medical morning. Today we're going to look at dilated pores. One in particular from our thumbnail is very controversial, and we'll take a look at that in a moment. But first, what is a DPOW? Let's take a look at some examples while I explain. A dilated pore, also known as a dilated pore of Weiner, is a cutaneous condition characterized by a solitary, prominent, open comedo on the face or upper trunk of an individual. They can occur on either young or elderly individuals. They are benign, however, they can be considered unsightly. The only curative method of removal is punch excision, usually 1 to 3 millimeters. Lasers and other superficial means of removal have proven to be ineffective.
So that's the beauty of
Dr.
separating,
Pimple Pot Pusher.
like separating that plug with your probe. It kind of gives it the push and the drive that it needs to.
So here's that controversial image. Do you think it's real or fake? Please click like if you agree with me that it is totally fake. Don't forget, if you like our content, then also check us out on Roku and Facebook. We'll put links below. Just check the description for links to our Facebook and Roku channels.